Hello folks, in this really quick video I want to show you guys how to convert an MKV video to MP4 video with just OBS Studio, because a lot of folks, they don't know this option that exists in OBS. So let's do it real quick. I just recorded a video right now, and I had it on my head, to show you guys how to do it really quick, since I haven't done it for this video. So as you can see, I'm using OBS, and let's go to File, Show the recordings. So this is the file that I just recorded right now, and to convert it, I will go to File, Remux Recordings. You click on Remux Recordings, you choose the file. I will choose this file, and as you can see, it will directly type in the target file and give you the name. You can choose to save it on another file or folder, on another folder, or another place. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it in there. So I think it's gonna be with the same name, and you just click Remux. It goes really fast, recording Remuxed. Okay, close. And if I go to my file, it's right here. If I do, let's do this. Let's do View, Show More, File Name and Extensions. As you can see, this is an MKV and this is an MP4. So yeah, this is the purpose of this demo. It's really quick. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.